A totally unacceptable situation that should have been fixed a long time ago. How the Chief Public Health Inspector for Kingston and St. Andrew is describing news that raw sewage continues to affect the JCF's Area 4 headquarters and several nearby entities on Camp Road. Giovanni Dennis has this TVJ News follow-up.
The situation is untenable. It is totally unacceptable.
Grayson Hutchinson, the Chief Public Health Inspector for Kingston and St. Andrew, reacting to this. Raw sewage flowing on the compound of the headquarters of the Area 4 Police affecting lawmen surrounding schools and businesses. Today's move is a temporary emergency effort, but stakeholders know it's not nearly enough.
Everyone now recognizes, based on the report that was shown on TVJ, that this is an urgent situation that requires immediate intervention and action. It is a situation that has occurred from time to time, and it should have been corrected a long time ago, because it is a threat to the health and well-being of all persons concerned.
By next week, the Public Health Department will take further action.
So it is our intention to serve a statutory notice on the ACP or SSP in charge of this facility and the acting president of the National Water Commission for them to ensure that resources are provided, are procured to bring a resolution to this problem.
A statutory notice is normally served on organizations to correct breaches of the Public Health Act. In this instance, there are at least two obvious breaches of Section 3 of the Nuisance Regulation under the Public Health Act 1995. Mr. Grayson says he has repeatedly urged the National Water Commission to fix the problem.
I would have seen the wastewater sewage flowing on the roadway, and from time to time I would have made contact through the officers with National Water Commission to have the situation corrected. They would have intervened also, but there needs to be a permanent fix.
In the meantime, this from Kingston's Mayor Andrew Swaby, who organized today's tour of the facility.
Clearly what you have seen here is raw sewage water, and just look exactly where the officers reside. So it's obviously a problem to their health. So we have been talking to the police, and clearly they are not happy. It threatens their health. Just imagine an outbreak to the policemen that live there, or police that interact with the other officers here. We can't have our first responders living in this type of condition.
The issue, he says, is not limited to the Area 4 headquarters and Camp Road, but the entire capital.
I have written to the minister, Samuda, invited him to the council meeting last month. No, actually it's this month, which he hasn't responded as yet to me, because I want him to give us an overview of the master plan of dealing with the sewage issue. This is something that has plagued the entire Kingston and St. Andrew, and we want to see how best we can resolve it. We want to know what time frame the government will be addressing these issues.
We have reached out to the NWC and Portfolio Minister Matthew Samuda for comment. Both have committed to responding to the issues raised. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.